In this ThriveCart tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add upsells and downsells to your ThriveCart funnel so you can actually make more money from the same exact customer, increasing your customer value. Now, just before we get into it, if you haven't yet got ThriveCart and you're thinking about it, I've also got a bonus course I call the ThriveCart Accelerator, which gives you step-by-step tutorials on how to use the features. It also comes with bonus templates, and I give you my bonus SEO traffic training. If you want to get all of those for free, I'll send those to you if you join using the link in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, I've logged into my ThriveCart account. What you want to do to start with is come to the top to the products tab. Inside here, you will see the second option, which is upsells. Inside here, we can go and create a new upsell. So I'm going to click digital. Let's just pretend I'm going to enroll someone into a product. So I'm just going to call this Epic Course Demo. Okay, and what I usually do is just copy and paste it into the label as well. Click on next. Now we've got pricing. How much do you want to choose for the price? Now this is quite a debatable topic, but what I recommend is majority of the cost in any online business is acquiring new customers. So if you can reduce the cost of this product, all we're doing is increasing the customer value. They've already come, they've already purchased the first product. So what can we offer them just to get a little bit more money from that particular transaction? You're also doing them a solid by giving something discounted. So for this example, let's just say it's a $100 course. I'm going to offer it for $47, right? It's less than 50% of the cost. Come down and we've got all the options here. Choose next. Do you want to add conversion pixels, things like that? You can choose if you want. Do you want to allow affiliates to have this upsell too? So it's going to be the entire funnel if you select this. Click on next. Okay, and then we've got here, customize the text to appear above the download link. This is just going to be on the thank you page. Just going to say, you have been enrolled into the bonus course. Check your email for more info. And then what's the download link going to say? It's going to say, check your email for enrollment info. Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to use Zapier to actually deliver it. Let's just say into something like Kajabi. So I'll show you how to do that. But let's go click on next. Go save my upsell. And now you've created an upsell. So what we have to do now is actually create an upsell page so people have the option to go to this after they've purchased the original product. So go to the products list once again. Let's just choose this demo course for an example. Go ahead, click on edit. All right. And it's going to bring us to the product page. For this one, I'm going to come to checkout, right? Go down to design, click launch editor. And now we have our checkout page. Now at the top here, you will notice we have currently checkout page and success page. If you've decided to go with a two-step, you'll probably also have step one, step two, but I'm just going to leave it as single. But what we can actually do now is click add funnel item. And this is going to pull up all of the different upsells that we have inside of our account. So I'm going to choose Epic Course Demo as it's the one I've just created. Click on next. And then you can either choose to use your own custom page or use one designed with ThriveCart. So we'll just keep everything in ThriveCart for this example. Click on next, and you can add in some tags if people decide to purchase this. I'm just going to say demo course buyer. Okay, click on next, and then replace fulfillment for previous purchase in this funnel. Do you want to basically, if someone purchased this upsell, do you want to cancel the first one? The reason you would do this is if the course had maybe bonus resources. Let's just say the first product was called Demo Course. The second one, this upsell is Demo Course Pro. Maybe the Pro's got the additional features in it. That would be the only reason you use this. If it's separate products, just leave it as is and click add this upsell. All right, so here is the upsell page. It isn't super beautiful right off the bat, but we can quickly customize it. You can also, once you've created one upsell page, you can actually copy it from previous designs as well. But what I'm just going to say inside here is wait. One-time offer, something like that. And I'll just be, you've just got the strategy in place for epic result, whatever the result might be. But to 10x your results, grab this epic bonus course, right? Whatever it might be. This is just for an example. And you can just build everything like you normally would, add in some elements, videos, images. And I highly recommend, if you can, to try and add in a video here. It only needs to be 30 seconds to 1 minute long, but it just makes it that little bit more urgent, a little bit more personal. And all we need to do here is just fill out obvious information. I'm not going to spend a full tutorial showing you how to make a pretty page. I'll do that in another video. But the most important things are down here. You can see we've got add to order and we've got no thanks. Please don't add this to my purchase, right? So I'm going to click next, right? And click completed. And now our upsell page has been created. So what's going to happen now? Someone's going to come through your funnel, go through the original product purchase, fill out their information. They're going to get served an upsell page. If they decide to purchase it, it's automatically going to deduct from their account and they're going to get access to that. It's going to take them to the final page. However, if they decide not to purchase this first upsell, what we can actually do is create a downsell. And what that basically is, if we come back to the products tab, if we go to our demo course, actually we'll just go to downsells now. How it actually works is we can offer them something if they deny our upsell, which is called a downsell. And basically what that's going to be is a product quite similar or something close to it, but much cheaper. So if I was offering it for $47, maybe I could offer something for $17. So it's the same exact process, create downsell digital product. Okay, and we're going to call this amazing downsell just for this tutorial. Okay, paste in the info, click on next, choose the pricing. So I'm going to say $17 this time. Okay, and we'll just fly through this. It's very simple what we're doing. Click on next. Do you want to add in tracking? Do you want to make this included in the affiliates? And what I'm going to say is you will be sent information about enrollment. Okay, and you will be check your email for enrollment info. Okay, click on next. Okay, and then we have the automation. So save my downsell. So how this is going to work is now we will go back to our product list. We'll go back to our funnel once again. Okay, and we will also go back to the checkout page. Okay, and come back to launch editor. And now inside of here, what we can do is come to the cart page, add funnel item, and this time we can have downsell, right? So what I'm going to look for is amazing downsell, click on next, select an option, right? What upsell does this relate to? So what was the upsell they said no to? It's going to be Epic Course Demo, click on next, edit with ThriveCart, okay? And do you want to add any tags? I could say demo course buyer, right? Click on next. Do you want to replace once again the first product? I'm just going to leave it as is, click add this downsell, okay? And then we're built with this page once again. And once again, you can copy it from another page inside of here. So I can't remember which ones I played with. So I'll just leave it as is. You get the idea. And it's the same exact thing, right? They have the option to add to order or no thanks, right? So click on next and complete. And now that's been added. So how it's going to work now is they will purchase the first product. They will then be served with this upsell. If they're like, no, I don't want to spend this much money, they click no, I'll skip this. But then it's going to bring them to our second offer page, which is a downsell, saying, hey, do you want to get this second offer at a much reduced rate? If they say yes or no, whatever, regardless they choose, it will then take them to the checkout page where they will see the confirmation and get all the info. Now, the cool thing about this is you can add as many upsells and downsells as you want. Obviously, don't go crazy. Usually, if you have one downsell, then that's basically it. But you can play around with this. I've seen people offering, I think, 5 upsells inside of one course. So there are plenty of different ways to monetize with it. Obviously, start off basic, start making some sales, add in one upsell, then just keep optimizing over time. But honestly, this is where you can create one funnel that can make you a crazy amount of money once you've optimized it, found the good product price points, and then go from there. So anyway, that was my ThriveCart upsell tutorial. Hopefully, if you stuck around, you've had great success with it. Once again, if you haven't got ThriveCart and you want to get my bonus ThriveCart Accelerator course, full of tutorials, it's also got templates and my bonus SEO traffic training. Get ThriveCart using the link in the description. But that's it for this video. Any questions, let me know down below, and I'll see you on the inside.